looking forward to this.
So, just to explain what a Barraquito is, it's a layered coffee cocktail that originated in the Canary Islands and is actually a local tradition. Its ingredients are usually formed with espresso, liquor 43, condensed milk, normal milk, milk foam, cinnamon, and lemon peel. It's a sweet, alcoholic drink with layers of flavour. Obviously, the version I had was a non-alcoholic version due to the fact I was driving. You do have to stir it well with a spoon before drinking. And it's a drink that can be enjoyed as an early morning pick-me-up or after a meal, or really you can drink it at any time of the day.